Everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be looking at how to change gender on Pinterest. Let's say you choose a particular gender, you want to change it to another one, or you don't want to be referred using that particular any gender anymore. So this is what you do. From your Pinterest account homepage, you click on your profile icon in the top right corner, and then you click on view profile, and then you click on edit profile, and you click on account management, and then you scroll down to personal information. You can see gender, male, female, and non-binary. So you choose non-binary if you don't want to be referred to as a male or a female strictly. If you want to be referred to as male, you choose male. If you choose as female, you choose female. All depends on you. So hope you found this video helpful. You can even enter your preferred gender here. When you choose non-binary, enter your preferred gender. Once you're sure, you click on save. It's as simple as that. Hope you find this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips like this which we put up every day. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.